Let's see whether it works, possible or not possible. How to generate charts. How to generate stats step by step. Lens recommended. Kibana provide chart creation mainly through what? Lens, Visual Library, Dashboard. Dashboard for combining multiple charts. Already we have a dashboard now, boss. Below are the general steps. Open Kibana Lens. We don't have. Kibana Lens is there. Huh? Okay, fine. Select Analytics Visual Library. Create what? Visualization. Choose Lens. You will see a drag and drop UI. Number 2, generate different types of charts. Below, most commonly used charts with what? Exact steps. Line chart, log count over the time. Drag timestamp, x-axis, Kibana, all this stuff. Okay, different charts they are using are not there, guys. But once you create visualization, add two charts. Go to dashboard, create dashboard. Add charts from what? Saved visualization. Now you have monitoring what? This one. Filter you can apply. Apply filters that you can apply. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Metric gross, total error, area charts. This one. 1 minute. How to get Kibana? How to get a Kibana lens? What is there? Kibana lens. I just want to show one more option since time is there. Open Kibana browser, 56 URL, Elasticsearch. Navigate to Lens. In the left sidebar, Analytics, select Discover Visual Library. Select Discover or what? Visual Library. 1 minute. Close this one, guys. Open this. Yeah, once success comes, I'll give the notes to follow. Yeah, what is the port number, guys? 560. 5601. This is called sidebar. Yeah, what is there? Visual Library. Create what? Visualization. There is something called lens na, boss? Yeah. Okay, there is something called lens. Okay. ChatGPT. How to create Kibana? What is there? Kibana lens to create chart. Analytics Visual Library. Create visualization. Select lens. Select your what? Index pattern. Okay. Select your what? Index pattern. I think we are there here or not. Okay. Here I selected index pattern or not there. Yeah, you already Logstash is selected, guys. Followed by that, what is the next one? Select index pattern, Logstash, all this stuff. Step 3. Pick the chart type. Lens support, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and number of charts are there now, guys. Yeah, tell me. Select your chart type. Very chart, guys. Very chart. Logstash selected. Bar vertical stacked. Visualization type. Bar vertical. Bar vertical. Okay, fine. This is there. Okay, that is also selected, guys. Drop some fields here to start. How to drop the fields, guys? Here are fields now, boss. Yeah, we have a lot of fields here now, boss. There are no available fields. How come available fields are not there containing data? We selected Logstash pattern. Why fields are not coming? Why fields are not coming? Make request to give feedback. No. Empty fields, this fields. It's a last 15 minutes, no data. Fine, 1 minute. Last today, entire day, we have some fields came na boss. Yeah, tell me. I will drag a timestamp. I will drag a version. I'll tag timestamp version. We're able to see the charts here now, boss. Timestamp for 30 minutes. Timestamp for what? 30 minutes. Path keyword. Yeah. Bar vertical stack. Okay. Now check it out. Okay. How to it should be visualized. Refresh. Yeah. Suggestions. So what is there? 63 messages are there or not there? Time by timestamp wise it is selecting or not there. Okay, bar horizontal. Horizontal is coming or not there. Okay, bar vertical percentage. 100%. Alright, showing by 100%, nothing else. Bar vertical. So 63 messages are shown or not there, guys. So we can drag and drop the fields, boss, nothing else. Left axis, bottom axis, which axis you want to see, which axis you don't want to see. Okay, horizontal axis you want to see or not, this one. Vertical axis should contain what? Count of records. Okay, vertical axis should have what? Count of record. That's why it is showing count of records, right? If you want, you can go for some other things, right? Unique count, some count, unique count. Suppose if I select what? Unique count. Select field. Okay, count only we select, guys. Tell me next one. Yeah, like this, it is asking was display name count of records default. Okay, select a field, advanced options. So what you want to see? What you want to see? Like this, there is option of seeing the chart or not there, guys. Okay, only this bar chart, there is no other option, boss. Tabular and single value table. It's going to be table. It is going to be metric information. Different ways of seeing the output, guys, nothing else. Bar we have option. In line chart, some option is there now, guys. Yeah. Area, this is what showing what area. Next, this is line and area, just a line. Just what line? Maybe it is giving somewhere line there or not there, guys. 63 count, line is coming or not there. Yeah, tell me next one. We have options, boss. Okay, proportion, pie chart. Drop some fields to start. Okay, drop some field to start. What is the fields we have to start, guys? Add slash by first what? Timestamp. Then what? Version. Yeah, version, timestamp. Okay, entire 100% it is displayed. Path keyword, path information. Okay, see, path. From this file, total two files now, guys. Total from this file, 55% message. From this file, 44% messages. Are you getting my point there? Okay, from which file, which much percentage of messages have come? You are getting my point there, guys. Slice by. Yeah, it is now, it is showing, guys. From there 55%, from there 44%. Like this, we can get the different charts options are not there. Very interesting, my dear. Come on. Yes, okay. Now tell me, what is the procedure? Select pie chart. We have drag and drop the fields. Drag and numeric field, response time, bytes count, kind of. Drag date field or vertical axis, lens automatically create the chart. Common operation, metric, count, average, max, min, sum, bucket, terms, date, histogram, and all this stuff. Okay, step 5, configure metrics and buckets. Example, x-axis, what should be taken? Y-axis, what should be taken? Yeah, you can customize what? Legend, chart colors, access label, bar line style, aggregation type. Save the length chart. We can save it, guys. We can save this one. Is there any option of saving, guys? Yeah, where is the option? Yeah, here what? Save option is there or not there? What is the name you want to give? You want to add to existing dashboards or not? What is there? Chart one, description, fine. Add to library. Okay, existing dashboard. Okay, new one. I want to create as what? New one. Click on, go on. Yeah, it is coming in existing dashboard. There we are able to see the chart, this one or not. So we have an option to create the charts, guys. On what generated log messages, there is a provision to see what charts. We have to drag and drop the field based on that charts will be automatically generated or not there. Don't you think is an interesting discussion, guys? Come on. Okay, fine. Let me write that. So how to generate various charts using what tool, guys? Kibana. How to generate various charts using what? Kibana tool. How to generate various charts using Kibana. Okay, let's see. But one thing is clear, already index pattern should be there. If index pattern is not already there, it cannot do anything. Okay. Yeah, first step number one. Otherwise, yeah, Kibana lens. We have an option to work with what? Kibana lens. Yeah. What's the answer I should give? Answer. For this, we need to use what? Kibana lens. For this, we need to use what? Kibana lens tool. What tool, guys? Yeah, for this, we need to use what? Kibana lens tool. That's how to create Kibana lens, my dear. Yes, that's fine. Control E, this is 20,000. Yeah, how to create Kibana lens chart. Yeah, select lens. We have selected lens. Select your index pattern and select the right chart. Select your index and select it. Pick the chart type. Drag and drop the fields. Step number 6, format the chart. Step number 7, save the length chart. Give the name. So to Visual Library, open. Optionally add to what? Dashboard. Okay. I think this got some idea about how to create a charts, guys. Got it? Yes. How to create a charts. Okay. So now I want to go for one more thing, guys. Step by step example with your Logstash index. Lens queries for specific use case. How to create what? Dashboard. How to convert. Okay. Visualization to this one. Just tell the data fields are what? Sample JSON. Not required. Now listen. How to create metrics. Metrics dashboard. What is there? Metrics dashboard in Kibana. I think you got idea, guys. So by default, there only bar chart is coming. No, you want more than that, right? Yes. How to create a metrics dashboard in what? Kibana. Metrics dashboard typically shows visualization like CPU use, memory usage, disk usage, network traffic, request count, error rate. What is there? Average response time, all this stuff. Index should contain fields like timestamp, CPU usage. That means you have to create a new index because in existing index only timestamp is there. Remaining things are there. I was not there. Okay, guys. CPU says, for example, visualization to create. CPU says, visual library create visualization. X-axis CPU says, Y-axis what? Timestamp. Save CPU says and trend. Memory usage line chart. Error rate bar chart. Response line chart. For different things they have used what? Different option. For different things they have used what? Different option. Click add from library, select usage this one. Okay, fine. Now listen. That's not a great thing, guys. First of all, we should get idea how to add. Okay, there is something called dashboard here. Create a new dashboard. New dashboard already in progress. Okay. Continue editing it. This is there. Continue editing this. No, actually, first of all, we have to edit the new dashboard. Editing new dashboard. Create visualization. Create what? Visualization. Okay. In the fields list, lot of empty fields are there. These are waste. Okay, fine, leave it. Next, meta fields are there. Only ID index type is there, right? Okay, now. So we have to think about add fields kind of thing somewhere. Somewhere we have to add the fields now, guys. Maybe that we have to do while creating that only, na? Fields, 1 minute. Add fields, drag and drop. This is horizontal, vertical. Break down by this. No. Okay. I think I have to do that work in the filter creation itself, right? In the filter. See, add field to index pattern is there now, boss. manage fields. And now I'm looking to add fields. I'm looking to add fields. Okay, now slow advanced settings, set value, custom label, set value, set format. Now I'm just looking for what memory usage and all this stuff. Is there any option to that? CPU underscore, okay, CPU says keyword, CPU says keyword, but if I think what's the use, it has to come from internally now, guys. Okay, set custom label, set custom value. Mhm. Set value, this one receiving this. Maybe we have to do that while creating what? Field itself. Okay. Yeah, because only request count it is there, but I'm just looking to have what? More information about it. I'm just looking to have what? More information about it. Okay, discard changes. We want to add the field. Okay, fine. 1 minute. We'll go for one thing, guys. Wait a minute. We'll just go based on what? One thing. Here, horizontal axis, vertical axis. Total 2 axes are there now, guys. Okay, in horizontal axis, I will go for intervals, top values. Okay, leave it. Vertical axis, yeah, I'm going for what? Count. I'm going for what? Count. Okay, that's good. Close. Then in horizontal axis, what should be taken? Okay. In horizontal axis, I'm going to take the timestamp. Okay. Now you go for what? Metric. You go for metric. 63 number of records are there or not there? 63 records are there or not there, guys? Like this, while creating index pattern, okay, add fields to index pattern. If we can get more fields, come on. If we can get more fields, we can bring more thing. Unsaved changes this. Okay, here what is there? All the fields. These are the existing fields, guys. Okay, second also there. Second. In this also, host message path, only these are there. Like about add field, that's fine. Keyword, boolean, all this stuff. Okay. So now like this, you have to add CPU usage, memory usage. If at all they are able to get it, we have to add them. Okay. Show advanced settings. Is there any provision to add? Show advanced settings. Set popularity. No, not there. Fine. Whatever it is. Okay. This metrics information is also part of what? Charts preparation only. Charts preparation only. But metrics means what? Basic information. Request count. Okay. Here we have option. Check it out. Go back. Here horizontal axis and y-axis. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now go for horizontal axis. Okay, date histogram. Okay, that's fine. Close. And vertical axis, guys. I just want to get what? Sum of all this stuff. Sum is not allowed. Count. Yeah, this count is coming. So you don't want to use count. You can go for what? Average. What is the moving average, guys? Moving average of what? Count of records. Like this, we can select, okay, different permutations and combinations, guys. Like this, we can get what? Different permutation and combination to generate various types of what? Charts. Okay, let it be. So that matrix is also part of what? Guys? Chart preparation. So what is the final conclusion? Using Kibana, we can go for log monitoring or not. We can visualize what? Log messages in single place. Using KQL, we can filter the log messages. Using Kibana lens, we can create charts. We can select the different types of charts. Okay, that means the basic agenda is fulfilled or not there. What's the basic agenda? Don't we have a 10 log files, store them in single place, visualize them in single place, maybe as a GUI, as a raw messages. maybe as a GUI or what, raw messages. That can be done or not there, guys. Let it be.